everyone, this is Miss V, and today we're going to be comparing and ordering fractions. This is something that you'll see in 4th grade most often, but maybe also in 5th grade. In 3rd grade, they will compare, but they're less likely to be finding equivalent fractions, especially for 3 fractions like we're doing today. So first, I'm going to take a look at the fractions that I have. I have a half, 2/3, and 5/12. And really what I need to do is try and get all 3 denominators to be the same, so it's much easier to compare. So I see that I have a 2, a 3, and a 12. I'm going to list the multiples of them and see what they have in common. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc., and 12. I see that 2 and 3 share a 6 and a 12. And this one here is a 12 as well. So I will be turning all 3 of them into 12s. So I'm going to try and line them up as neat as I can. And I know that 1/2 will be something 12ths, 2/3 will be something 12ths, and 5/12ths will stay the same since it's already in 12ths. So I need to find the missing part here. 2 times something is 12. I know that 2 times 6 is 12, and 1 times 6 is 6. It's important that the number here and here are exactly the same, because I know that whenever I multiply by 1 whole, which is the same, 6 over 6 is equal to a whole. If I multiply by 1 whole, my value will stay the same. The number of pieces may change, but they're going up the same. They're both multiplied by 6, so it'll be the same value of the overall shape. 3 times something is 12, so 3 times 4 is 12, so I need to do times 4 up here. 2 times 4 is 8, and this one's the same. So I'm going to order these from least to greatest, but just be careful on homework or an assessment. It might be reversed and be greatest to least. So my smallest value is 5/12, which originally was given to me as 5/12. So that's what I will write. The next one is 6/12, which was given to me as a half. So I'll write that next. And the greatest value is 8/12, which I had as 2/3. So I'll write that last. Additionally, students can use benchmarking to help them. This is a little bit harder for students, especially if their number sense isn't the strongest. So what they're going to do is figure out if the fraction that they're considering is closer to 0, a half, or a whole. So I know that a half is exactly a half. 2/3 is greater than a half. And I know that 5/12 is just a little bit smaller than a half, because 6/12 is equal to a half. So I could compare them this way, but this tends to be more challenging for students. And I know that often schools are looking for students to learn how to find common denominators this way. But it can't hurt to double check your answer with benchmarking. And that is how you compare and order fractions. Thank you so much for watching.